Picture yourself in the 2023 Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system, backup camera, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.